Ever stare at a page full of foreign words and feel like you're looking at a code you'll never crack? You're not alone. The human brain is wired for language, but sometimes the traditional methods of textbooks and grammar drills feel more like decoding hieroglyphs than unlocking fluency. But what if I told you that learning a new language could be as exciting as exploring a new galaxy? What if I told you that fluency isn't about memorizing endless verb conjugations, but about immersing yourself in a new world of sounds, stories, and connections? Imagine this. Instead of passively studying verb tenses, you're living them. You're watching a gripping German thriller, texting a friend in Berlin, and catching the latest Bundesliga highlights. You're not just learning the language, you're experiencing it. This is the power of immersion. By surrounding yourself with the language, you're creating an environment where your brain naturally absorbs the patterns and rhythms of German. It's like learning to swim by jumping into the deep end. Challenging, exhilarating, and ultimately, the fastest way to become fluent. We live in a world of constant connectivity, so why not use it to your advantage? Language learning apps are like having a personal tutor in your pocket, ready to guide you through grammar exercises, vocabulary quizzes, and even real-time conversations with native speakers. These apps are designed to make language learning fun and engaging, using gamification, personalized feedback, and spaced repetition to help you retain information faster. Forget the days of dusty textbooks. The future of language learning is at your fingertips. In a world dominated by screens, the simple act of putting pen to paper can be surprisingly powerful. When you encounter a new word or phrase, don't just type it into your phone, write it down. The physical act of writing engages different parts of your brain, helping to solidify the connection between the word and its meaning. Think of it as building a neural pathway to fluency, one carefully crafted sentence at a time. Chapter 4. The Thrill of Conversation. Learning a language isn't just about memorizing words, it's about connecting with people. The real magic happens when you step out of your comfort zone and engage in real conversations with native speakers. Sure, the first few conversations might feel like you're navigating an asteroid field, but with each stumble and correction, you'll gain confidence and fluency. Remember, every conversation is an opportunity to learn, laugh, and expand your horizons. Chapter 5. Consistency is key. Learning a language is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be days when you feel like you're making great strides and days when you feel stuck in a grammatical black hole. The key is to stay consistent. Even dedicating just 15 minutes a day to practicing can make a world of difference. Remember, small, consistent steps will always lead to bigger results. Chapter 6. Motivation and Success. Now imagine yourself confidently navigating the streets of Berlin, ordering a currywurst like a local, and effortlessly engaging in conversations about art, history, and life. Imagine the doors that fluency will open, the friendships you'll forge, the experiences you'll embrace, the world that will become accessible to you. This is the power of language learning. It's about so much more than just words on a page. It's about unlocking a world of possibilities and expanding your universe one conversation at a time. Chapter 7. Your language learning journey starts now. So, are you ready to embark on your language learning adventure? Are you ready to experience the thrill of fluency and unlock a world of possibilities? Want a full roadmap to speak fluently and learn faster? Download the Language Learning Formula, your complete guide to mastering German or any language faster. Click the link in the description. Outro, your universe awaits. Don't let the challenges of language learning hold you back. Remember, the human brain is a remarkable instrument capable of incredible feats of learning and adaptation. With the right approach, the right tools, and the right mindset, you can unlock the secrets of any language and open yourself up to a world of possibilities. So what are you waiting for? Your language learning adventure awaits.